How to allow message requests from everyone on Instagram. Hey guys, let's get started. Head over to your Instagram application and get logged in into your Instagram account first. Then after tap on your profile which is on the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you will land to your profile account. Now tap on three horizontal line which is on the top right corner. Then after you will see a list of options. Under how others can interact with you, you will see the option of messages and story replies. Tap on it. Hereby, you will see different options. You have to now click on message controls. Then, after tap on your followers and Instagram and make sure you have selected on message request. If the option is ticked on don't receive request, it is then that you will not receive any messages. Also, do the same for others on Instagram. And simply after that, if you refresh the page, the changes will be saved. So this is all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. Also, in case you'd like to see more such contents, subscribe to our channel. We will be right back with more such tutorials. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in the next upload.